I will use ramen noodles for easier and faster cooking. You tear open the noodle package and take out the noodle inside. Use scissors to cut the soup packet of the noodle package. Pour the soup onto a plate. You put a little mayonnaise on the plate. Add 1 egg yolk to the plate. Use chopsticks to stir everything together until they blend together. Put the pan on the stove. You put 1 cup of water in the pan. Put the noodles in the pan. Use chopsticks to stir the noodles until they expand. You guys put the noodle water in the sauce dish. Use chopsticks to stir the sauce. Pour noodles into bowl. Add sauce to the bowl of noodles. You add 1 soft-boiled egg and grilled pork. Invite you to eat with me. The soup is the highlight. Each ramen has its own flavor, but all offer the perfect balance of richness and sweetness, richness and lightness. Ramen noodles are different from regular noodles thanks to their moderate chewiness, smoothness but not mushy. When eating, you will feel the elasticity of each noodle, blending wonderfully with the soup. Toppings like tender grilled meat and creamy soft-boiled eggs add rich flavor to the bowl of noodles. Sometimes a little sweet corn or green onions also add freshness to the bowl of noodles.
Wow.
When you enjoy ramen, you will feel the attention to detail. It is not just a dish but a culinary journey. Every bite of noodles, every spoonful of soup brings a feeling of comfort and relaxation.